Oops. I got tight quarters to do this, but we're gonna make a spare tire rack. And I probably could bump into the camera at any time, so just is what it is. These are pegs that came off of another build that I did. Pretty much this would hold the fender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same leftover fender, and then I'm going to get a little warm in here. Let's get something. It's a washer and a lock washer. I don't know if you can see if you're looking at my back, because I'm telling you it's tight quarters in here. Alright, let's put this one around the back. I've already pre-drilled the holes because I didn't want to, take up too much time with that. I'm just going to snug it up so I can still wiggle it. And I put that one on backwards. Or did I? No, I think I got it right. Nope. Let's see. Yeah, I think I put them on backwards, but not a big deal. So this spare tire system, spare tire rack deal I got here is pretty much, didn't cost me much. Cost me about, whatever it costs to go and buy some nuts and bolts. And then I got to buy one more long bolt and about 3 nuts, and I'll show you what that is going to be for when I get there in just a second. So I get just a little bit sort of wiggle and get this one. Put it slippery. Put it right here. Get a nut and a lock washer. For this, the lock washers are pretty important. I prefer the nylon nuts, but this will be fine. It'd be so much better if I had more space. My back is right up against my boat trailer. And so I get everything snugged up, I'll come back and tighten it down real tight. Now I got the machine head bolts here for this, so they don't lock washer, because I don't want them digging in my tire while the tire's sitting back here, riding back here for miles and miles. My back's already starting to hurt because I'm in such a bad position here. But it's okay. We'll get it. We will get it. Always got to drop a few, right? Well, and the reason I mounted it like this, sticking up so much, is because I'm going to move the license plate up. To right here, because hanging down here at the bottom, it is always always hanging up. I'm tired of that, hanging up or getting bent. It gets bent when I go out to the on the land. it's going to be in there so tight. Because we're forcing a square part of a stove bolt into the round circle, as you can see there. Thing you want to do here is want to drill a hole right here in the low spot so that it will drain later. Okay, my other two bolts go here and here. I'm going to tighten all that stuff up. So let's cut a hole. Let's cut us a drain hole in here. So right about here is good. There we go. You get a drain hole, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is get a long bolt that comes out through here, put a big washer on the back side, and another big washer here, and that goes all the way up against there, and then this will stick out a little bit to go right through there, and this will ride in this. I'm not sure how much of a bad view you have, but it's so tight in here. So this will ride here just like that, and then I can put a strap from here up around here, and there won't be any weight on the wood, so that eliminates my issue for a spare tire rack, and get my license plate up higher in the air too, so I don't keep bending it every time I go out to the land. So, all right, I appreciate y'all watching. This is the 5x10 Teardrop Camper, and leave a comment. Thank you. Yeah, let me show you how much space I had to work in. All right, thank y'all for watching.